Woo, another fun day in the life of a gray. Bogart was freaking me out, making me think she was crazed or neurotic, but she was just having a little fun. Oh my bird! It's clearly one of Bogart's favorite games. I thought it was some sort of neurotic acting out.
If you are watching this video, it already means you are a wonderful, caring bird lover. Subscribe now and join our parrot community so you won't miss out on the next good laugh videos.
Let me clear this up for you guys. My gray does this beak hanging for many years as one of her most favorite games. It just means she wants to play, and she was like, laughing at me that I am scared. She also likes to hang by one toe from the top of the cage and spin in circles, spot on, screams and growls at one toy. For anyone who may know, I am curious about a posture my gray often assumes. She will hang by her beak from one of the horizontal bars on the side of his cage, completely letting go with her feet. She just curls them up to her belly. Then she repeatedly sort of flicks or half flaps her wings and periodically vocalizes, not a screech, her mouth is full of bar after all, but sort of a squeaky squawk. The first few times she did this I interpreted it as just clowning around, but it's something she does a lot of, especially when she first sees me in the morning or after I've been out of the room for a while. Is anyone familiar with this?
It's over for us. I can never give you the life you deserve.
Wait, is this about your credit? Credit card has great hits, I'm not even gonna prove it. I think we should see other people.
Drop me your comments down below if your parrots do similar things like this. Well, that's one of the most common things that medium-sized parrots do. Most of the time it has to do with playing. Bogart will do that in order to knock something around that's sitting loose on top of the cage.
Go with the one that's here to help life go right. Stay calm.
To me, wow, it's scary, but if you notice, the bird will never fall down. At times you'll also see a bird hang off the cage with just one foot. Birds do that sometimes, they just want to flex that they are stronger than you.